So let's say you want to add some features and capabilities and even refactor some modules you want to work on. This is just my case and I want to work on this example. Once CodiumAI is installed, for each independent class or function, I have this Generate Test button. I'll click it. Now CodiumAI is analyzing my code as well as generating test plan, a full test suite for me automatically. Code analysis is ready and I can use that to better understand my code and even add a docstring. But what I want right now is a test plan. CodiumAI generated a test plan. It starts with 6 test cases for initial test suite, but there are many more I can choose from. Very interesting. I can go over them later. I can also add my own test case in natural language description, and then CodiumAI will generate the test code for me. Test code is ready. Here it is. I'm simply going to add this one, and this one, and this one. Great. Now I can save the file and start working with it. Once I change my code, whether I added more capabilities or fixed bugs, I can call CodiumAI again and generate a new test suite. That's it. Enjoy!
Looking for free AI models that don't belong to Google or OpenAI? Hugging Face is a machine learning and data science platform that lets users build, deploy, and train machine learning models. It hosts thousands of open source ML models, datasets, and demos. This means you can see and use the code behind the models, unlike Google's Bard and OpenAI's ChatGPT, which are closed source. Developers can use Hugging Face to create and post the code for their own AI models, so its repository is continuously growing. Hugging Face also hosts a public leaderboard that tracks, ranks, and evaluates the large language models and chatbots on the platform. But it's not limited to language models. It also has computer vision models, audio models, and image models, so you can build text-to-image or image-to-image generators, for example. The biggest upside of Hugging Face is that it's an open source community with thousands of developers iterating and improving upon each other's work. But it can be difficult to find the right model because there are so many to choose from. Hugging Face is free to sign up for, but has a paid enterprise offering with additional features like dedicated customer support.